have 3 words. We are back. That's right, we are back. As you guys can tell here, we have a 2-liter of... Yes, this is actually a 2-liter bottle of Blueberry Faygo here today. Lil Mosey's not lying this time, like he did in that last video. You know what that smells like? That smells exactly like cotton candy. Yeah, that wasn't Blueberry Faygo. This is a Blueberry Faygo, but we're not just gonna be chugging this entire 2-liter bottle of Blueberry Faygo. I got something better than that. Giant gallon bowl and 10 pounds of ice. Well, I'm actually not gonna be using the entire 10 pounds. I'm only gonna be using half, which is 5 pounds of ice. Today, we're gonna be doing a Blueberry Faygo ice eating challenge. I think my last ice eating challenge was a 2-liter bottle of orange Fanta and 5 pounds of ice. You guys really enjoyed that video and I enjoyed making it, so I decided to come back with something a little better. I decided to choose one of the most popular soda chugs that I've done on my channel and make it into an ice eating challenge here today. If you guys don't know, for some weird reason, if you guys haven't seen the video, I've actually chugged an entire 2-liter bottle of this here Blueberry Faygo maybe like 3 months ago or 2 months ago. That video got over 25,000 views. I'm pretty sure it's pushing 30,000 views. I decided to come back, recreate that challenge, but in a massive bowl of 5 pounds of ice. Before we get started with this challenge, make sure you guys go down below, hit that like button. Like I said, this is a 10-pound bag of ice. I'm only going to be using half of this bag. Now for the best part, the Blueberry Faygo. Oh, look at that. That looks so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. That looks so good. That looks so good. Let's go. Challenge in 3, I forgot it, in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, under 10. Start. This is gonna be so good. I so much ice. It's cold. That's freezing. I'm not an ASMR channel, but like I said, ASMR channels has nothing on it. Let's go. It's so cold though. It's so cold. My brain. Alright. Chug up. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Alright, chug time. so cold. That's as good as it's gonna get.
A few moments later.
It definitely feels like there's a massive ice box in my stomach right now. So big. I'm so cold right now. There was 2-liter Blueberry Faygo soda pop ice eating challenge. I'd say this is a complete. I definitely think that the ice adds more onto the fluid ounces of this, so I pretty much would say this is over 100 ounces of liquid total. I know I said that I'll explain where I've been at in the past 3 weeks, but I'm not going to explain it to this video because I'm in pain right now and I can't really explain it right now at this very moment. I just wanted to let you guys know that I am back. I'm going to be posting on a regular by next week on Friday, but I should have a video up before Friday, probably like Wednesday or something like that. So make sure you guys have post notifications on if you don't have them on yet already. Hit that subscribe button if you are not yet already subscribed. You guys already know what it is. That is going to wrap it up for this video. I'm getting off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you enjoyed. Also share, subscribe if you need to stay lit. Always stay lit. See you guys on the next one. We're out.